Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create X account. So X was formerly known as Twitter. It is a social media platform that allows the users to post short messages, follow accounts, engage in conversations, etc. So in order to create the X account, first of all, what you have to do is launch up an X application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here X application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for continue with Google, create account. If you want to create your account with Google, you can tap on the option continue with Google and you'll be able to create the account with Google account. If you want to create the account, simply tap on the option create account that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll have to enter your name, email and date of birth. So first of all, tap on the field of name. Now what you have to do is enter your name over here. Now after you do that, enter the email. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now after you enter the email address, you'll have to select the date of birth. So tap on the field of date of birth. Now you'll be able to select the date of birth over here. Simply tap on the year that is selected right now. Now you'll be able to select the year, scroll up or down and select the year. Likewise, you'll also be able to select the month and day. Simply select it and tap on the OK option. Now after you enter all these informations, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll have to verify your email address. So simply open Gmail. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. X has sent me the email, so simply tap on it. Now over here you'll be able to find the verification code. Memorize this code. Go back to the X application. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now after you enter the verification code, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to create a password for yourself. Simply tap on the field of password. Now simply create a very strong password for yourself. It should be more than 8 characters. Now after you create the password, tap on the sign up option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can also pick a profile picture if you want. If you want to pick it, tap on the option upload and you'll be able to upload a profile picture. Right now I'm just going to skip it. Now you can follow few accounts. In order to continue, simply tap on the follow option that you can see right next to the account that you want to follow. Now tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here your account will be created. So that is how you create X account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.